Hey guys, Chuck with Guyett.com, and I've got a question for you. Have you ever wondered how people are putting those little subscribe buttons on the bottom of their videos to increase their following on YouTube? Well, stick with me. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it. It's extremely simple once you know how. Hey, before I take you over to the browser, if you're interested in getting more tips on how to build your business using social media, then I would encourage you to click the button down below that says subscribe, and you'll be getting updates every week. I'm generally putting out one or more videos on how you can increase your bottom line on YouTube, social, Facebook and Twitter, different all the different social media sites. So definitely want to get subscribed. Okay, so I want to take you over to the browser right now. Okay, I'm over here on Canva, and what I've done is I've created a box here that's 400 by 400, so basically just a square cube. And if I wanted to resize it, I could click on here and do that. But I'm just going to stick with the 400 by 400, and then I'm going to simply click here, and that'll color the box. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to put some text on it. So I'm just going to go with something simple like this here, and I'll just migrate this up here like this here, and I'll type in click here, and then I can click copy. I got a duplicate of that, and I'll put it down here, and I'll, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm going to click to subscribe. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger. I'm going to make it around 42. Now this is too big for the box, so I'm just going to click on this little button here, and boom, now it fits just nicely. So I'll put that there like that, and I'll make this 42 as well. Come up here to 42, click on 42, boom, and we just got to just resize this a little bit so it's big enough for the, there we go. And then I want to put a nice little white box in here, and I'll go to where it says elements, and I'm going to see if I can find, there we go. Now this is green, and I don't want green. I'll just reshape it so that it's the size I'm looking for. Make it a bit bigger, about there. And let's make it white. So to do that, all you do is come up here, and this is the color palette that it's at right now. And I'm just going to pick the white. There we go, that's centered. And then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to click on that. And I'll make a little play button. And you see there's a little circle with an arrow. And if you click on that, you can move that like that. And let's go back here to background, and I'm going to click that, and there we go. And all I got to do now is simply download it, and boom, you're done. And there is your subscribe button created, and it's been done with an absolutely free program. Okay, so we're back. Very simple to do branding, free tool to use. You don't have to pay money for it. And the thing is once you get people clicking on that button to subscribe, the next thing you know, your subscriber list is going to be moving right along. So hopefully it's been helpful. If it has, give me a high five, give me a comment, let me know that you appreciated it, and definitely, if you haven't done it yet, click subscribe on my channel. I just launched this new channel, and I would love to get it ranked up there as well. So you take care, make it a great day, and I'll see you on the next training video.